Stuffing stuff in here, I don't know.
I'm just throwing stuff in here.
You doing the same thing I'm doing?
I'll check it later.
What you got?
I don't know what this. Something have to do with
is that a, you know, is that a back brace?
No, it has something to do with a, it looks like a dog or something.
Ah, yeah, Pat.
Maybe airport.
That always does good.
Things like an airport
Carrier?
carrier.
Ah, yeah. Over there.
Well, 90% of this I ain't gonna use.
You never know. All of it could be worth something.
We'll see.
All of it.
Is that what it is?
All right, so this is actually the next day, Sunday. Went to Gimme 5 again this morning and didn't get anything, man. They didn't restock. It was pretty much the same thing they had in there the previous day. Had a lot of good $1 to $2 stuff, but $5 nah. So I'll probably go back in there Tuesday, which is $2 day, and Wednesday, which is $1 day. So stay tuned for that. Golly, I just passed up my place. Let me turn around. Let me make a U-turn. My God. All right, sometimes my mind is crazy, but anyway, I'm gonna run over here to the office, and I'm slowly but surely taking stuff over here. When I got the keys, it's my bad weekend. It's my weekend shift, so I had to work Thursday. I got the keys Thursday. I had to work Thursday. I had to work Friday. I had to work Saturday, and today's Sunday. 12-hour shift, so there's no way I was gonna be able to kind of do anything really. So I just been kind of taking stuff one by one, trying to clear off a shelf. That way I can get one of my good chefs in here. I got back some other ones as well, and start to just bring everything off and just move it right onto the shelf. I'm trying to streamline it, and I don't just want to take everything in there and just throw it on the ground and have to move it again. That's double handling. You know what I'm saying? I don't like double handling. I want to move it once and be done with it. You feel what I'm saying? Anyway, oh, what was that? Anyway, let's get in here, and I'm also gonna show you what I got from Gimme 5 yesterday, which whatever. So let's get in here and see what's up. All right, so real quick, just got to the office. Go over the stuff I got to give me 5 real quick. Take some of this stuff out of here. Okay, day. Like I said, I think for those of y'all who've been watching for a while and seen some of my earlier videos, y'all know, man, after the pandemic, I was hitting on a lot of stuff. A whole lot of stuff. Great stuff.
Yes, sir.
But the last, I say, month or so, it's been kind of, but okay, though, you know. You can never complain about getting new stuff, especially stuff in boxes and stuff like that. You usually go for more money, all right? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 7 things. I think earlier I said that she charged me for 6, and she did. But I thought I had got more. So, you know, I paid 30. I paid 5 times. But with tax, I paid 30 and some change. 32.50, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, let's just get into it real quick. First thing right here is this, what's it, Ag? It's like for an iPad. It's actually a really good brand, and they do pretty good. I already have sold this. I listed it yesterday, and it sold like that. It's an open box. It's container, but it is new, and I did put that in the listing. So I sold it for $59.99, brand new. These go for almost $100. So I did pretty good on that. I only paid 5, turned it into what, 60 plus shipping. You can't beat that in like an hour or so. Next thing I got these 2 vests. They made by Viva Glory. These are okay. They go for about $25 a piece. I got them for $5 a piece, plus shipping. Not bad. Got this die-cast remote. What is that called? Remote excavator or whatever. $5, of course. These go for about $25, $30. I think I got it listed for $29.99. It's Christmas colors. I got 2 of them. Pay $5 a piece, and they go for about $29.99 a piece. It's color pencils. Yeah, so that was a good buy. Took 1 picture, quantity of 2. You can't beat that. I love getting stuff in quantities, especially if it sells good. And those sell them pretty good, so hopefully those will sell here soon. Got a knee brace, back braces, stuff like that. Do good. I mean, especially this VIVE brand. Actually, my guy Scott put me on this. He's been selling back braces like crazy, and by this brand, and selling them like that. They don't go for super big money, but you know, $20, $25, $30, you can't beat that. Speaking of that, Scott's pulling up now. That's his truck. Why he pull away? Oh, he's turning around. That's Scott right there. So let me hurry up and get done with this. So yeah, got that. And last thing I got, and I haven't listed this yet because I couldn't find a comp, but these magnetic blocks, they do very good. $5. I haven't listed it yet. It's the only thing I haven't listed. But there they go right there. And you put them together and they stick together. They got a bunch of different types of brands, and I probably just make my own listing and probably put $25, $30 on that as well. And yeah, that's about it. Like I said, this is pretty much how we're gonna do it. We're gonna have, of course, with all the wheels on it. These cost a little bit more, a lot more. These are like with the wheels and everything. These are about a little over $100 a piece, but well worth it. If you're trying to figure out what type of shelves you want, wheels. I mean, look, you can stack everything together. When you need something, pull it out. Allows you to have a lot more room. And what we're gonna do is put some over here coming out, put some over here coming out, and that's about it. You know, we're gonna use this window and have our shipping deal going here, kind of streamline it like that. And this allows me to always see furniture and things like that. This space will allow me to actually pick up little chairs and stuff like that. This right here, I'm gonna make like a lounge room for the kids. Maybe a little couch, TV, Xbox or something like that over there. And this is gonna be more storage. You know, more storage, shipping supplies, whatever we decide to make it, man. We ain't really came up with what we're gonna do. We said we're gonna get stuff in here and we're gonna freestyle it and figure out what we're gonna do. Hell, the shelves might not even go like that. But anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. My guy Scott's about to come in here soon. Yeah, man, I really ain't got a whole lot to say. Look at Scott out there. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he went to give me 5 and he loaded up. Let me see. Look at him. I need to go out there and help him up. He trying to manhandle it. Bruh. He ain't gonna be able to do that. Anyway, I gotta get stuff out of my car too. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Matter of fact, these are shot chefs over here. Look them out. That's all I did.
Come on, man.
Anyway, but tomorrow I'm going hard. You know what I'm saying? Monday is a new week. I work night shift. I'm gonna get in here tomorrow and get crazy. All right. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good.